Hello everyone, you are welcome my YouTube channel Science of Electronics, and my name is Argodip Devnath. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of Flipkart Smartbuy Ultracut trimmer and its teardown process. But in the next video I am going to show you that how to repair this type trimmer. So in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of this trimmer. Actually I purchased this product only on 199 rupees. How it can possible to purchase this trimmer only on 199 rupees from Flipkart? This is the Flipkart Smartbuy box, and today I am going to show you that the Flipkart Smartbuy Ultracut trimmer, model number SBTMP M01, and it comes with black with silver color. In the box you will get one number of trimmer, one number of USB cable, one number of cleaning brush, one number of lubricating oil, and one number user manual. The price is 1299 rupees, but the market price is 1099 rupees in the Flipkart, and actually I purchased this product in only 199 rupees, but I need to give the extra 900 super coin to purchase this product. Actually it is made in China. If I open the box, you can see this is the trimmer, and it is actually Flipkart Smartbuy Ultracut trimmer. It is the main unit, and this is the pouch, a lubricating oil. This is actually lubricating oil, and it is the actual brush, and you can see the box is fully empty. It is actually the Flipkart Smartbuy trimmer operating manual. You can easily see the operating manual. It is this product is RoHS compliant, so it is comes with RoHS certification. I don't need to this lubricating oil yet. It is a cable. If you can see, this is cable. This is not comes with the micro USB or type C or type B micro cable. It comes with actually DC connector. You can see it is actually DC connector. If you think about that, it is a Nokia mobile connector. This is not a Nokia mobile connector. So this type connector are actually DC connector, and it is actually used in the laptop. Wow, it is working. This comes with the 19 setting. Oh, fine. After turn on this trimmer, you cannot adjust this comb, and after turn off, you can easily adjust this trimmer. It is very good advantage of this trimmer. As you can see, this is actually DC input, and you need to connect this cable on this section and need to charge the trimmer. If you can see the instruction, it is actually made by Flipkart Smartbuy, and model number, here you can see the model number. Charging time is 8 hours. If you can see the input voltage, it is actually 5 volt and 1000 milliampere, and it is not washable because it does not comes with the waterproof protection. And if you can see the DC input section, you need to just put this on this section and plug this on a charger. You can easily see the charging indication. Here you can see it is actually the charging indication, and the trimmer is now charging condition. So let's go to tear down this trimmer. Now I'm going to talk about that how to clean this trimmer easily. You need to just push this trimmer, and you can clean using the brush. After that you can push this section to open the trimmer blade. It is actually the trimmer blade. You can easily see the trimmer blade. It's not very glossy, but why it is not very glossy, I don't know. Here you can see this is the shaft. Let's tear down this trimmer. If you need to tear down, so first of all you need to open these two screws. You does not open these two screws because it is actually the motor screws. And if you can see, this is the screws. You need to just open these two screws. If you can see these two screws, but you don't need to open these two screws. After that you need to just open these screws. Okay, just fine. You need to just open these 3 screws on this trimmer. After that you need to just use your nail to open this trimmer. You need to just push, you need to just enter your nail to open this trimmer. It is very easy to open this trimmer. Just fine. You can easily see it is actually the comb selection section, and you can see this is the actual switch. When I turn on this switch, you can see a lever which is entered in the gear section and lock the trimmer scale. It is actually the switch, but this is a very simple mechanism. There is no chance to damage this switch after a few years. And if you can see the circuit board, this is actually the motor, and maybe it comes with a gear section inside the motor. And you can see there is no voltage boosting section on this trimmer, so it is very simple to repair this trimmer. This is actually the 1.2 volt 1000 mAh NI mAh battery, and if I measure the voltage, here you can see it is actually 1.3 volt. So it is in now this battery is in fully charged condition, so I don't need to give any full charge on this trimmer. And if you cannot see any transistor or any IC on this trimmer, you can see easily one LED is present in this trimmer. So I can easily say that this trimmer does not comes with the battery percentage indication, or it does not comes with the full charge indication system. So it has only one LED, and it has only one function, that it can give the indication of the charging state. And if you can see the circuit board, it is very simple to repair. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section of this video, or you can directly ask on our Telegram community group also. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay happy, stay safe, and see you next time.